So I just uploaded a short swatching these three new super gorgeous gels I got from Born Pretty. I want to make a set press-on toenails because my set that I have on now is ready to go. And I usually like to have white toes, so this one is going to be perfect. This is Rosy White. This is MY193, and it is a Moonlight Cat Magnetic Gel. So I'm super excited to have this because it's a white. It's like a cream, okay? Close enough to white for my toes. And it's a cat eye. So we're going to make some press-on toes, like I said. And I really have been liking these. These are the Soft Gel Matte 550 count. You can get these on Shein and Toenails. I wrote my sizes on here, but other than the big toe, I think I might size down one because the last set I made was a little bit big, possibly. I don't know. So I'm just going to pull my sizes and we're going to get started. Look how many you get in here. This is literally amazing. And I'm just going to put them on a nail stand because it's just easier than doing them on my toes. So that's how we're going to do it. Okay, so I like to stick them on with the tabs still on. It's just easier. I do the filing after I've top coated and they're on my feet because these are pretty much a perfect length. So we're just gonna get started. I think I'm probably gonna do 2 coats on each. And when I'm doing cat eye gels, I like to do a base layer and a second layer where I activate the little particles. Look at how pretty this color is, just like this. It's so perfect. These are going to make such pretty press-on toenails. And they're going to look expensive when they're not. Okay, these are so beautiful just like this. I'm tempted to not even use the cat eye effect, but I'm going to. So, on to the fun part. We're just gonna do an even second coat. My god, I forgot to use a base coat because I got all excited to use these gels and I really need a new set of toes. So hopefully we're all good here. So pretty. It's very subtle and girly. There we go. Just added a little bit more sparkle. So I'm just going to be top coating with this, super simple. And once I'm all done, since I still have to remove the set that I have on and make the other 5 toes, I just like to put them on one of these little cards just to keep them all nice, just like this. And I'm still going to leave the tabs on until I apply. So I'm just going to do that. It just helps keep everything like in order because they're so tiny. Just like that.